Do you want to know how you can log into your Time Warner Cable account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to One2Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Time Warner Cable account. Go ahead and open your Chrome OS browser on your PC. Go to the Google search bar to search for Time Warner Cable login. Scroll a bit down and you can find Time Warner Cable. Click on this link over here and this Fidelity Net benefits will open up. After you log into this account, you can successfully log into your Time Warner account. So go ahead and write down your username, your password, and then click login. This way you can successfully sign in to your Time Warner Cable account. You can even click register now if you don't have an account, and you can click remember me if you want yourself to be remembered the next time you try to log in. So there are options of net benefits and net benefits worldwide. Choose your type of account and then log into your Time Warner Cable account. I hope this video about how you can log into your Time Warner Cable account was helpful for you. If you have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.